Hey YouTube, welcome back to The Garage Couple. Today we have a really quick, I like to call it an upgrade. We have a pretty cool decal we're going to add to the back of our mirrors. We've seen quite a few on different Jeep forums as well as Instagram and our Twitter, but today we're going to show you our favorite one. So, something kind of cool, we're rapidly approaching our 500 subscribers and we're still doing our giveaway for our LED headlights, so please make sure to hit that subscribe button for your chance to win. Alrighty guys, I know you're super curious to see what these things look like, so let me show you. I'm kind of curious.
I love the way you just toss it into the car. Oh, nice.
Alrighty, my friends, alrighty. So they are the handprints with the 7 slots, and they go right behind your mirror.
So I guess if we don't have the 7 slots on the front end, we can still put it on the front end for everyone.
All those people commenting.
All those people.
First thing we're gonna do is clean off the sides, make sure there's no dust. Gotta take a quick break first. This might have many uses, so just
perfect.
A little here. Make sure you do the same to the other side as well. Using just a pair of scissors to make it a little bit easier, we're going to cut them down the middle. Also, if you're looking for the exact same pair of stickers, check the link in the description.
Now that we have the stickers cut and separated, we're going to go ahead and try to get the red sticker on the blue backing. So just for reference, the sticky side of the sticker is facing the white. So our goal is to get it on the blue all in one piece so we can go ahead and slap it on the mirror. Now that we have the sticky side facing up, we want to go ahead and align where we want the sticker. Be careful, you only have one chance to do this. So make sure you like exactly where you're going to place it. Why don't you help me out, Ollie?
Ready?
What do you think?
It's pretty good. Make sure the blue's pulled out all the way so it's not wrinkled. Wow. Alrighty guys, quick change of plans. We liked it so much that we actually want to put the other side on our other Jeep. So we're just going to take you over there, do the cleaning process again, and get our other decal up there. Alrighty guys, so just under 10 bucks, I was able to add this on the side of my mirror. I think it looks super cool. I think I'll be getting a couple more waves when I get back on the street tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.